Are you seeking a rewarding career? The W Service Network is inviting you to join the appliance repair industry. The partnership between W Service Network and Whirlpool is one of the strongest in the appliance industry. Our W Service providers pride themselves on ensuring every single technician has the skills needed to provide consumers a 5-star experience by teaching you soft skills and customer interaction skills. You will become a contributor who helps build a better community. W Service partners with Whirlpool's training development team to provide their technicians a comprehensive training solution to ensure you are comfortable and familiar with our products in the field. We provide continuous training resources throughout your career. Training resources include Whirlpool's Factory Training Center located in Cleveland, Tennessee, where you can receive hands-on training, as well as Service Matters access to more than 100,000 technical reference materials available through the Service Matters app, plus groundbreaking training provided by Appliance Fix Live. These tools will help guide you in your day-to-day job responsibilities to keep up to date with industry changes. Further training opportunities include Service Matters University, online classes, fault trees, troubleshooting guides, instructor-led training, videos, and much more. The opportunities are endless, and we are here to help you reach your full potential. Come join our W Service company and provide world-class appliance repair and a 5-star consumer experience. Scan the QR code to submit your resume today.